madame, how do I make an AI reel for Instagram?
Gotcha. Leave it to Kai.
Welcome everyone! I'm Kai, and you're watching AI Madame. Get ready to meet the superstar of Reels. Clipwise AI, a name celebrated worldwide, is our special guest today. On the creating page, you'll see a few options. The first one is for the subject. Simply tell it what you want. You can use the inspiration provided, or even use a link from another site. In the next box, you can change the settings like tone and style. You can also increase the animation to make it even more dynamic. There are also tons of styles for you to choose from. For this story, I prefer something like watercolors. What I want to create is a story about a cat working hard to feed his family. Once you're done with the description, just click Generate. It'll take only a few seconds to finish. When it's done, you can see the prompt. As you can see, there are 3 images and 1 audio. That's because I selected the fluid animation setting. From here, you can regenerate them again with any changes you desire. Once you've finished, click the button to generate the story. Next, you need to choose your vocal and review the generated
quick brown
script.
fox.
Thanks for trying our AI voice.
Welcome. Let's make something.
As you can see, the AI didn't create the same white and black cat in all the images, so I need to regenerate it. To achieve this goal, I'll work to get the best output by adding words to the images prompt. Of course, you can always easily change the description or get help from an AI like Gemini. I've changed all of the images, and now we need to finalize the video by choosing from hundreds of songs for your soundtrack. There are a lot of options you can easily pick between. You can change the volume and transition sounds however you like. There are also a ton of options for captions. You can easily customize the font style and colors.
To work hard and feed his family. Every morning, he wakes up bright and early, ready to tackle the day. Max spends his day fixing things around the neighborhood.
You can also add overlays, or maybe even upload your own. You have complete creative freedom with this platform. This is it. Let's see the
Max,
result.
a black and white cat with one goal, to work hard and feed his family. Every morning, he wakes up bright and early, ready to tackle the day. Max spends his day fixing things around the neighborhood. From fences to small repairs, he puts in the effort with a big heart and paws full of determination. After a long day, Max returns home to his family. Tired but proud, he knows every paw step helps keep them safe and fed.
That was cool and touching, right? Remember, I just created a short story. You can easily make it longer. I've decided to test the regeneration field here. So I just created a script about 2 pandas fighting, and I want to make it shorter. As you can see, it has reduced the image count. Now, let's see the final result.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful bamboo forest, 2 pandas met and, well, things got a little competitive. They started a playful fight, swatting and tumbling, more like friends teasing than real rivals. In the end, they laughed it off and shared some bamboo, proving even fights can end with friendship.
To wrap it all up, Clipwise AI is an amazing reel generator with a ton of options and great pricing. The only secret? You just have to be a little patient to create your best videos. Thank you for watching. Love you, Kai.